is I'm looking at Aussie USD right now. This is on the daily time frame. So if I were to draw a trend line like this, you could see that the ascending trend line has been broken right here, as well as retested before it pushed down lower. So in this bullish market, I will be looking for a short. So now let's go into our 4-hour time frame. So in the 4-hour time frame, you can also see that price have been making lower highs, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If you just compare it, it's still lower than the previous high, lower low, and now the current lower high. So this entire move is where I'll be looking to take my profit. Right, so now if we go into the 2 hours time frame and just zoom into recent price movement, I will be able to draw a tentative trend line from here up to down. So why I call it a tentative trend line is because there's only 2 taps currently, and it looks like price may be returning to tap on it one more time. Currently, I'm just going to change this trend line into a bearish color, a red color. All right. So using this last move right here from high to low, I'll be taking my Fibonacci retracement to see if there's any confluence level between the trend line and the Fibonacci level. From high to low, I have my 61.8 right here. So I'll just leave my 61.8 retracement. And then next, using an extension, I'm going to see if there's any confluence between 61.8 and this extension. Using these 3 points, 1, 2, and 3, I can see that 61.8 is also in line with the retracement. For the extension and retracement is in line. So next, I'm just going to open up my 100% as well, extension, so that I can see where is a good spot for my stop loss. So currently, if I'm looking for sell, I'm going to name this sell entry, and I'll only enter when the market decides to come into this area. So I will also highlight in blue color because this is more of a zone instead of a specific price area to look for my shorts. And then next, my stop loss, I will put it above the previous swing high so that I know if price was to reach this level and come back to my sell entry, I can exit this trade before it hits my stop loss. And if it does hit my stop loss, then my trade is invalidated. So only risk what you're willing to lose. Okay, so this is my stop loss. And now I'll be looking for my take profit. So for take profit, I'll be using this low to this high to see if there's any retracement along this level where I can take my profit before price reverses. 0.1, 0.2. So currently I like the 61.8 level. As you can see on the left, there is a graphical area right here. So I'm going to name this take profit. And also, if I were to open up another Fibonacci retracement level, let me try 78.6. I can also take my profit here. As you can see on the left, there's also other price action right here. So take profit. And what I mean by price action is a reversal before price actually came back this area and pushed away again. So I'm expecting some sort of reaction when price actually reaches this take profit, as well as TP2, where there's this reaction here. And when price broke above this level, it actually came back to retest before pushing higher. Right. So this is my analysis for Aussie USD. So did you know that you can send your trades directly through TradingView to your FXCM terminal? This combines the power of TradingView charts with FXCM excellent order execution and reliability. So here is how you link up your FXCM account to